Alrighty, our next step to do is we're going to make some bacon bits. So we're going to grab our bacon, put it on our cutting board, basically cut it lengthwise once. And we're just going to cut it straight down. So we get some nice sized chunks. It's easiest to cut your bacon when it first comes out of the refrigerator because it's nice and firm. The longer it sets, the softer it gets. And that should do it. Now we'll take our bacon over to the stove, throw it in a nice warm pan. You want to cook your bacon until it's nice and crisp because it won't cook anymore once it's in the soup. So you want it to be crisp, not limp and flimsy. Once our bacon is cooked, we're going to take and throw it onto some paper towels on a paper plate and let the oils run off. So when we add our bacon to our soup, it doesn't add any oil texture to the soup, and bacon should be nice and crisp.